Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Mohini and I'm here to talk about another new product that I really enjoy. I've been reading a lot on the best Allure products and I happened to come across this one that was really intriguing. It's by Aprilskin. There's about 4.05 fluid ounces. It's a pretty good size. And what really drew me to this product is that it's a Carrotene clarifying foam cleanser and it has deep cleansing micellar foam. And it cleans clogged pores and nourishes skin. So as you know, carrot's really good for your skin. And I've tried carrot creams before and they're very, very moisturizing. I have really, really dry skin. So I really wanted to purchase this and see what it would be like. I love Micellar washes, foam washes. They feel very, very luxurious to me. So you should definitely check this out. I really like this brand Aprilskin too. They're really well known and you can find them on a bunch of beauty blogs and kind of read up on what type of ingredients that they put in. So I would definitely check this out. It's a Korean brand and everybody knows they're just elite. They're supreme and just create the best skincare. So I love that this has carrot in it and that it really helps nourish your skin. I really see that day to day when I do a deep cleanse using this product. So I like oily and nourishing cleansers because that's just what I need to do for my dry skin, is to make sure any product that I use helps nourish my skin, and that's exactly what it does. So if you have dry skin like me and would love to use this, I'll make sure to put the link in the description box below, and feel free to leave a comment and let us know how the product is and if it worked for you or not. Thanks so much. Bye.